This is we're sitting here in Palmerston North. We're looking after some beautiful big chicken. Oh, he's a rooster. And the ducks. The ducks live in a fish pond down here. Now here's Cleo. Hello Cleo. What are you after? I'm not taking the Cleo for a walk off the property. Oh, lucky ducks. What are you waiting for, Cleo? That's what you're waiting for. No, nothing. Come on, Cleo. You gonna bring the ball back here? Have the ball? You gonna give me the ball? Oh. Anyway, this one I just throw the ball down and she comes back, but she's gone inside after Tracy now. Anyway, fun dog. Better go get another ball for her. Bye.